I want you to understand how Live Good works, how the system works, how the matrix works, how the matching bonus works, and how the compensation plan works. Kapatid, kung naunawaan mo lang, naintindihan mo lang ang sistema na meron po rito sa Live Good, I promise you kapatid, ito po hindi mo nabibitawan, ito po itatrabahuin mo, ito po ay gagawin mo, no matter what, whatever it takes, you will go all in 100% here sa negosyo po natin sa Live Good. So tips ko sa inyo, para maunawaan nyo po mabuti ito at ma-enjoy nyo at makita nyo kagandahan na meron po dito sa Live Good, focus on the enroller tree. Huwag po kayo mag-focus sa tinatawag na matrix or yung tinatawag natin na spillover. Spillover, yes, totoo po yan, will follow kapag may nagbi-build under your team, tuloy-tuloy po yan. Pero pag kayo po ay nakafocus po doon, mawawala po kayo sa linya. You must align yourself doon po sa tinatawag na mission po ng kumpanya. Remember that the mission of the company is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And not only that, because we have to structure, we have a hybrid compensation plan because on my experience in network marketing, matagal na rin po ako sa industriyang ito, sa akin lang po ito, no? I don't know kung meron po kayo nakita, basta wala po akong nakita na isang kumpanya na meron pong dalawang structure. At ito lang po si Live Good. So number 1, yung tinatawag po nating enroller tree, and number 2, yung tinatawag po nating the matrix tree. If you focus on the enroller tree, which means gagawin nyo, tatrabaho nyo po yung enroller tree, the matrix will follow. Kasi lahat po ng ginagawa natin on the enroller tree, babagsak sa matrix. At dyan na po papasok yung tinatawag po nating the membership that pays. Babayaran po kayo dyan ng $0.25 or 2.5% na kukunin sa lahat ng nakasubscribe under your organization, which $9.95. Lahat ng nagbabayad, bibigyan po kayo ng percentage. And that is the slowest way to earn. Medyo mabagal yung kapatid. Pero, if you focus on the enroller tree, hindi nyo po mamamalayan, palaki ng palaki po yung inyong organization, palaki ng palaki din, at padami po ang bumabagsak sa ilalim po ng matrix nyo. So, ano pong tinutukoy ko? In the enroller tree, determines 3 things. Okay? Remember, as I said a while ago, we have 2 structures, the matrix tree and the enroller tree. Okay? So, on the enroller tree, you must focus. Alright? Ano pong meron dyan? So, meron po dyan number 1, the rank. Only people under your organization will be counted on the rank. So, which means, kailangan mo siyang trabahuin. Number 2, the fast start bonus. The fast start bonus, yung tinatawag po natin na the powerful or most powerful unilevel. Okay? Up to 10th levels deep. At ang good news po, ito po ay infinite wide. Walang limit, walang flash out, walang quotas, walang volume requirements, walang 70-30 rules, walang 60-40 rules. Wala pong waiting. Tapos na po yung era ng tinatawag na waiting. Sa Kalawain, sa Kanan, Paris, wala na po yan dito sa Live Good. Napakaganda po ng ating sistema. At pangatlo, yung tinatawag po natin yung ball game na sinasabi ko, the matching bonus. And all of these 3, you need to work and focus on the enroller tree, itong tatlong to, at lahat ng babagsak sa enroller tree will also falls down on the matrix tree. At dyan na po papasok yung tinatawag po natin the membership that day. If you want to know more, kapatid, gusto mong maunawaan, maintindihan how the system works, how the matrix works, check out the link below. Nandyan po yung explanation ko po regarding po how the matrix works, how the matching bonus works, how the fast start bonus works, how the system works, para at least maunawaan, maintindihan po natin. At ito kapatid, sasabihin ko sa inyo, kahit gaano kaganda yung sistema ni Live Good, the matrix or the system will work. The powerful system will work if you work with the system. Which means, you need to work with the system and the system will work for you. Yun lamang. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you at the top. Bye-bye.